is there's been a real concern which when in the installation of gutter guard we were finding that there was issues around solar panels, and so we started to use our gutter mesh and our tough mesh range for solar panels. But what we found was the aperture was too small and it was very hard to get it looking well. It restricted the airflow underneath it and the flow of debris and what have you, and it made it quite hard to install to the panel. So what's been created is is two products, a galvanised and a stainless steel mesh, woven mesh, with a 12mm aperture. Both products are similar, obviously stainless steel being a longer lasting product, but they can now be fitted easily and bent into shape around solar panels for the protection of predominantly pigeons who love sitting underneath solar panels, but the bending of them allows for affixing to the panel. You can't screw anything to the solar panels due to creating potentially some electrical issues with it. A washer and a clip has been created. You can use this washer and clip by pushing it through the mesh, hooking it into the solar panel, and then tightening it so that it stays in place. And that's strong enough to be able to keep those pigeons and vermin out from underneath the solar panels. Galvanised and stainless, just two newer products that we've now got in our range.